Four Trinamool Congress workers have been shot dead in Bengal's Cooch Behar, the ruling party alleged today amid polling in 44 seats for the fourth phase. Gunshots were fired after the BJP and Trinamool Congress workers clashed, sources said, adding that the CRPF troops also had to allegedly resort to firing. The Election Commission has sought a report in the matter and has adjourned voting in one polling station after 4 people were killed in the violence. Bengal is voting amid heavy security presence and Cooch Behar has the highest deployment of paramilitary forces. West Bengal BJP leader Locket Chatterjee alleged she was attacked by locals at polling booth number 66 in Hooghly district. She also says that journalists were attacked too and demanded that additional forces be sent there. She was seen complaining on the phone to the Election Commission. A viral clip showed security personnel desperately trying to push back people who were not letting the leader's car pass through. Meanwhile, the Trinamool Congress has claimed that Locket Chatterjee broke the window of her own car from the inside. As Bengal voted in the fourth round of polls, an audio clip went viral in which Prashant Kishore appeared to claim that BJP was winning the state. Kishore, who is Mamata Banerjee's election strategist for the Bengal polls, hit back saying that the portion that went viral was selective and distorted. He challenged BJP leader Amit Malviya to share the full chat for the truth. Malviya had shared the audio clip this morning saying that even Trinamool's internal surveys suggest that BJP is winning. Active cases in the country have now passed the 10 lakh mark. With 32.8 lakh total cases so far, Maharashtra continues to be the worst hit state. This is the fourth consecutive day that India has recorded more than 1 lakh cases in a day. In the last 24 hours, 794 people died. 1,68,436 people have died so far. This is the fourth consecutive day that India has recorded more than 1 lakh cases in a day. Over 6.16 lakh fresh infections have been reported just in the last 5 days. 3,335 people have died during this period. A Bihar police officer was beaten to death by a crowd in Bengal's Uttar Dinajpur. The SHO of Kishanganj police station in Bihar, Ashwini Kumar, succumbed to his injuries after being thrashed by the locals of a village under Golpokhar police station area of Uttar Dinajpur. IG Purnia Range said he had come for a raid in connection with a bike theft. Islampur SP is with us. We'll conduct raids and make arrests. The weekend lockdown in Maharashtra, which the state government had recently announced as part of the curbs to break the coronavirus chain, came into force from Friday night. Strict curbs to contain the virus have been in force since April the 5th and will continue till April the 30th. The weekend lockdown starts from 8 p.m. on Fridays and lasts till 7 a.m. on Mondays. Prohibitory orders under Section 144 will be in place during the daytime during the week.